Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Annie Gladys aka Adeshagu. So today I'll be showing you how I made this 2x4 closure. So I've already sketched the size of the closure on a paper off camera. So first of all, you're going to ventilate round the shape of the closure so it will just serve as a guide. So after that, you're going to start from the back. You ventilate on straight lines up to like 10 to 15 lines. Then after that, you will now start ventilating using the slant line. When you look closely on the net, you will see it. So that's what you will do. Then ensure that you don't pick more than 1 to 2 strands of hair. Okay, so that you get a flatter closure. Then what I did there is that I ventilate on one hole, I skip the next hole and ventilate on the other hole. Then you skip one line, you ventilate on one hole, skip one hole, skip one line, ventilate on one hole, skip one hole, like that. Then if there is any confusion or if you don't understand what I just explained, you can ask your question on the comment section. I'll be waiting to reply all your questions. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye.